you want to lower your scores immediately without changing anything you do with your swing, just slow down and pay attention to your lie. And what I mean by that is, here we are in our southern location down in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida, and the grass is completely different. So you're gonna have balls that sit up, you're gonna have balls that sit down, you're gonna have grass that grabs the club more, way different than where we're at in the northeastern part of the country. So as a general rule of thumb, if you can't see half the equator of the golf ball, take an additional club. If the ball's sitting up and you can see almost 3/4 of the golf ball, take less of a club down, because that's a flyer lie and that ball's gonna go 1 club farther. And of course, if this ball is down and you can only see 1/4 of the golf ball, absolutely take more of a club up, take more of a club and get the same distance out of your clubs. Slow down, pay attention to the lie, select the appropriate club for that situation, and you'll shoot better scores. I guarantee it. Find out more about this on our website, www.imaginegolf.com.